This is an educational video by Patanjali Rishikul, Prayagraj, Class 3. Subject English Language. Topic Adjectives and Degrees of Comparison. A recap. Good morning, dear students. Let us begin our class with one of the important teachings of the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. If I have the belief that I can do it, then surely I shall acquire the capacity to do it, even if I may not have it at the beginning. So, my dear students, have belief in yourselves and acquire the capacity to do whatever you wish to. Dear students, let us begin with the today's topic, adjectives and degrees of comparison, a recap. An adjective modifies a noun or a pronoun or tells something more about a noun or a pronoun. An adjective can tell about the color, for example, black, blue, green, yellow, size, for example, long, short, tall, large, shape, for example, oval, square, round, triangular, taste, for example, bitter, sour, sweet, tangy, number, few, 50, many, two, of a noun or a pronoun. Let's have a look at some examples of adjectives. Mr. Dheer has a small fruit shop near the bus stand. The earth is round in shape. The group of happy children walked back home. Mahatma Gandhi was a great man. This medicine tastes bitter. In the above sentences, the following words are the adjectives: small, round, happy, great, bitter. Comparison of adjectives. We use adjectives in different forms to compare two or more nouns or pronouns. The different forms of adjectives used to show comparison are called degrees of comparison. There are 3 degrees of comparison of adjectives: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Positive degree. An adjective is said to be in the positive degree when there is no comparison. It is the simple form of an adjective. For example, Rajni is a clever girl. He is a naughty boy. Mr. Lal is a good swimmer. The words clever, naughty, and good in the above sentences are said to be in the positive degree, as they show no comparison. Comparative degree. An adjective is said to be in the comparative degree when two people or things having the same quality are compared using than. For example, this knife is sharper than that one. An elephant is heavier than a giraffe. It is more important to participate in competitions than to win. The words sharper, heavier, and more important in the above sentences are said to be in the comparative degree as they show comparison between two people or things. Superlative degree. An adjective is said to be in the superlative degree when 3 or more people or things having the same quality are compared. We use article the before the superlative degree. For example, this is the latest edition of the school magazine. Birbal was the most intelligent minister in Akbar's court. The living room is the biggest room in the apartment. The words latest, most intelligent, and biggest in the above sentences are said to be in the superlative degree as they show comparison between 3 or more people or things. Rules for the formation of comparative and superlative degree. Rule number 1. For most adjectives, the comparative and superlative degrees are formed by adding er or est respectively to the positive degree. For example, she is a rich girl. Rich is in positive degree. She is richer than Miss Jane. Richer is in comparative degree. She is the richest girl in the town. Richest is in superlative degree. Rule number 2. For most adjectives ending in E, we add R or ST to the comparative and superlative degrees respectively. For example, Akash is a wise boy. Wise is in positive degree. Akash is wiser than her. Wiser is in comparative degree. Akash is the wisest boy in the class. Wisest is in the superlative degree. Rule number 3. For adjectives ending in a consonant and Y, we change the Y to I and then add ER or EST to the comparative and superlative degrees respectively. For example, this is an easy question. Easy is in positive degree. This question is easier than that one. Easier is in comparative degree. This is the easiest question in the exam. Easiest is in the superlative degree. Rule number 4. For some adjectives, we add more or most before the adjective to change it into comparative and superlative degrees respectively. For example, Ria is a talkative girl. Talkative is in positive degree. Ria is more talkative than Sita. More talkative is in comparative degree. Ria is the most talkative girl in the class. Most talkative is in the superlative degree. Rule number 5. Some adjectives do not follow any of these patterns. Their other forms are completely different from their usual forms. For example, Ritesh is a good singer. Good is in positive degree. Sam is a better singer than Ritesh. Better is in comparative degree. Rupa is the best singer in the academy. Best is in the superlative degree. Now children, it is the time for quiz. It is the quiz time. An adjective can have 3 forms. Is it true or false? The correct answer is A. True. The word pretty is an noun, preposition or an adjective. It is an adjective. Find out the adjective in the following sentence. She is the most patient girl I have ever seen. Most patient, she or girl? Which is the correct answer? Yes, my dear children, A. Most patient is the correct answer. Which of the following adjective is written correctly? EARLYIER earlier, EARLIER earlier, or EARLYER earlier? Yes, the correct answer is B. That is earlier. EARLIER. Choose the adjective which is in the comparative degree. Most difficult, easy, later. The correct answer is C. Later. Thank you, my dear children.